Hello, in this video we have to do exercise 4, page 154. Perform the following divisions. What is the meaning of perform? It means calculate. We have to divide this number 774 by 7. The divisor is 7, so we need a 7 table. Now, we should take one digit. Look, we have 7. We take one digit from the left. And 7, it is not smaller than the divisor. It's equal to divisor, so we can take only one digit. And 7 divide by 7. First step, we have to divide. Look here. 7 times what equals to 7? It is 7 times 1. So the answer is 1. When we write the answer, we write the answer up in the quotient. So we write times 1. Then the second step, we multiply 1 by 7 equals 7. Now we subtract 7 minus 7, 0. Now we have to bring down the next digit. We bring down only one digit. We cannot bring down two digits in the same step. So we bring down the 7. Then we divide. We repeat the steps. We divide 7 by 7. It's equal to 1. So we write 1 here in the quotient. Then we multiply 1 by 7 equals 7. Now we subtract 7 minus 7 equals 0. Now we have to bring down the next digit. We have also 4 and we have to bring down this digit. And after we bring down, we have to divide. Now we should divide 4 by 7. Now look at the 7 table, the table of 7. Look, what number times 7 equals to 4, or a number smaller and nearest to 4? It is 0. We cannot take 7 because 7 is greater than 4. So the answer is 0. 7 times 0 equals to 0. So the answer is 0. So we write 0 here in the quotient next to 1. Now we multiply 0 by 7 equals 0. We write the answer under the 4. And now we have to subtract. Don't forget the steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Now 4 minus 0 equals 4. And the division is done because we have no digits to bring down, and we have to make sure that the remainder is smaller than the divisor. Now let's try the equation writing. Dividend equal divisor times quotient between parentheses plus remainder. So it is 7 times 110 plus 4. Now let's divide 216 by 2. We should take one digit from the left. We have 2, and 2 is equal to 2. It's equal to divisor. It is not smaller than the divisor, so we can take only one digit. Now we divide 2 by 2. So we need the 2, the table of 2. What number times 2 equals to 2? It is 1. So we write 1 in the quotient times 1. Now we multiply 1 by 2 equals 2. We write the answer under the 2. Now we subtract 2 minus 2, 0. And after we subtract, we have to bring down the next digit. And pay attention, we can bring down only one digit. We bring down the 1, and after we bring down, we have to divide. So we have to respect the steps of division. We bring down, then we divide 1 by 2. What number times 2 equals to 1, or a number smaller and nearest than 1? It is 0. So the answer is 0. We write 0 here next to 1. Then we multiply 0 by 2 equals 0. We write the answer under 1. Now we subtract 1 minus 0 equals 1. And now we have to bring down the next digit. We bring down the 6. And we write it next to 1. After we bring down, we have to divide. Now we have 16. We have to divide 16 by 2. Look at the table of 2. What number times 2 equals to 16? It is 8. So we write 8 in the quotient next to 0. Now we multiply 8 by 2 equals 16. We write the answer under 16. And now we subtract 16 minus 16 equals 0. And the division is done because we don't have any digits to bring down. And the remainder is 0. Now let's write the equation writing. Dividend equal divisor times quotient, only because the remainder is 0. So we have no remainder. We can't write plus 0. It's not important. So we write only divisor times quotient. Thank you.